nag-host na noon, may.
Thank you so much, Kuya. You now settle down. Ayan. Kita nila yung vlog yan. Halik, Kuya. Ready na ka? You have no choice. You have to be ready. Okay? Kuya, be kind to yourself. Basta na lang. Okay. Ito yun na yung name niya?
Kanding.
Ay. Ito yung name?
Leo.
Okay, Sir Leo. Happy birthday song using Kanding song with action!
Grabe, Hollywood, may.
Ayan, palapakan niya naman. Kuya, thank you so much. And palapakan niya naman yung sarili niyo. Thank you so much. Okay na, enjoy ba ang lahat? Ayan, okay, so this time, since ang food is ready naman sa atubangan, and calling to lead our food prayer, Sir Ignacio. And requesting our birthday celebrant gift to center. And of course, everyone, you may now rise and let's have our food prayer.
Kanawa si Daddy Lotion.
Happy birthday!
Lord, salamat sa Panginoon Diyos, may magkakal ka na mo. Panalangin si President ay ang birthday o sa mga kamang andang ng celebration. Salamat Lord, ngayon mga panahon, dahil mo panahon ang maayong panahon o ang kabaskog sa mga panahon. Salamat mo sa lahat, puso.
Amen. Okay, this time, one more time. Let's all sing Happy Birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Say happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Say happy birthday. Happy birthday. All right, everyone, let's all shout again. Happy birthday, Christine. Happy birthday. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. You know, settle down. Ako lang yung serving yung food in a while. Thank you.
Ano ba siya mag-iwa? Si Mama ba? birthday mo. Boy.
Todo spaghetti!
Start na, di ba?
Hold it like this.
Ha?